It's a really, really hot day today, girlie. So much. This is not for the weak. Wow, this is. It's a really hot day today, guys. It's a really, really hot day today, girlies. But it feels good, but it's hot. The sun is shining bright today.
Something else?
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay. Hey y'all, these are like the most popular popsicles out here at the design district. Everybody stops here for these popsicles. But what makes it so unique is because they come in every single flavor that you could think of. Oh, yummy. This is really nice and creamy. So good. I like that. Like this is a good size right here.
It is.
The travel. Like, okay, thank you. Like, you know, like on a weekend when I be having to do them 2 days.
Yeah.
What color? I know the silver is popular, but this green is nice too. Oh, this is nice.
That is nice.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm on my way to my workout class. It is Monday. Do I feel like it? No. Am I in the mood? No. Is it necessary? Yes. Because you know, we girlies have to keep the bodies tight and right. And also, it's just important that you have some type of exercise in your daily routine. So for me, exercising is super, super important. And as long as I have been doing it, you would think that this would get easier and easier and easier. But it don't. It gets harder and harder. It seems like it does not get easy at all. Not at least for me, okay? So to make a long story short, I am on my way to my drooling class, all right? It's 1 hour, but it is 1 hour of hard work. But I love it though. But then again, I don't like it. And then again, I like it. Because I like the way it makes me feel. And I like the way it makes me look. So here we go. Here we go. Oh God. Hey y'all. This is not for the weak. This is not for the weak, y'all. It was rough today, like real bad. This was rough today. Oh my God. I am exhausted. Like seriously. God, I gotta get my Hey guys, I'm coming to Costco's to get my hot dog. Can you believe I came to Costco's just to get a hot dog? The hot dogs are so good. I don't know why I had this craving for a hot dog. No, I was looking at something and I saw this man eating a hot dog and I was like, oh my God, that looks delicious. So guess what? I said, you know what? I'm coming to Costco's to get me a hot dog too. That's right. So let's go. Let's go get our hot dog. Like I said, let's go over here first and then we'll go get my hot dog, a smoothie, a pizza. Oh my God, look at these. So cute. Wow, this is really cute, y'all. Look. You all have any kids or teenagers or even yourself that like Mickey Mouse, Mickey and Minnie, whatever you call it, yeah, Mickey and Minnie? This is nice. Super cute. I love that, like for outside. I got a patio. That is so cute. Oh my God, girl, look at these lobster tails. Oh, girl. This is awesome. So I'm gonna get a case of these. I'm trying to think, should I get these? And shrimp. I just like to have this in the freezer. Okay. My God, I would love this. Oh, how much is it? Oh, okay. This is so nice. I wish I had one with me because he would be the one. I'm going to bring him back.
Yeah, you should.
Come get this. That would be so nice on the porch.
Yes.
That's so cute. Love that. I'm going to bring Will back for that. Hey guys, I just ordered my hot dog. I'm so excited because I have really had a serious craving for a hot dog from Costco's. And I'm gonna put onion on it, relish, and mustard. And I'm gonna get 2 hot dogs. Yes, 2 hot dogs, onion, relish, and mustard. That's right. And did I tell you guys that they are all beef hot dogs? Yeah. So good. Here we go, guys. Don't that look good? Of course it looks good. Oh my God. So good. They're good. Y'all need to go to Costco and get a hot dog. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So today is a busy day. I have a birthday party that I will be attending this evening. Therefore, I'm going to go out and get her a gift or a card. Haven't decided. I don't know if I'm going to get a gift or I'm just going to get a card and put some money in it. But nevertheless, I have to decide which one that I'm going to do. And then I just need to run a few errands. But I'm going to get up and go now because I do not want to be out here all day because I want to come back, do, I don't want to say some work, but just do a little something, and then relax because I do not want to be just, ripping and running all day before the party tonight. I want to be rested. So let me get up. I've already taken my shower. So today's is really a nice day today. So let me get up. Let me do what I got to do, guys. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, we are coming over here to this it's a dollar store, but it's not a dollar store. It's like the dollar store. From my understanding, this is supposed to be like one of the biggest dollar stores. What is it called? This Daiso? Anyway, what it is, we just happen to run across it right now. So I'm just curious to see what's in here because this is the store everybody's been talking about. So let's see what's in here. Oh, it is interesting in here. Oh my God, look. This is interesting now. Oh, I ain't never seen no dollar store like this, y'all, for real. Now, this is a dollar store, y'all. Look at this. They do have a lot of stuff. And it's so nicely organized and clean. It's real nice. Wow. This is definitely giving me China vibes. And when I say, look at this, the gold spoons. Now, this is interesting. This is really interesting, y'all. Wow. We just stumbled across this. And it's really, really nice in here. Y'all, this is a real dollar store. I have never seen a dollar store like this one. They have everything. Check your city. See if you guys have one in your city. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, it is here. Walmart go get these people a run for their, this store go give Walmart a run for their money. So y'all Walmart shoppers, go see if you guys have this store in your city. I think it's, what is it? Daiso. Daiso. Daiso? Daiso? I don't know. But super interesting, y'all. Super. Gucci could use a Gucci and Polo.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm afraid this may be too big, so. And I like it because this the reflection for nighttime, you know how it'll show you, it's like a glow.
Yup.
I'm gonna get this because my Gucci need that. It's adjustable. I think you can fit it.
Yeah, I think so.
And then Polo too. It's adjustable. And then they got the little water. I like this color.
Those are nice.
If you guys have fur babies, I don't know about you, but I'm always shopping for the fur babies, honey. This is a nice. Hey. Y'all, look at the bowls and the plates. Now, I be buying these plates this same color, and it be from Target. And I be paying like $4 and $5 per plate. This is $1.50. Look. And they are good plates and bowls. Like, this is so cool. Hey y'all know I could not leave out of here without shopping. Oh my God, I have all of the stuff that I got. It's great. So anyway, I got all of this, $21, y'all. When I tell you, this is amazing. Bye Daiso, you guys will see me again, I promise. This is amazing.